Hello guys, welcome back to more videos, and today we're back to more Abis. So today we're going to play EC Valentine's Abi. This hardest, this is the hardest Abi in the world. So anyways guys, I'm done. Okay, I'm done. Okay guys. So anyways guys, I'm not gonna beat this game. I'm gonna beat this game. This could be the longest Abi. Okay, what just happened? Don't bully me if you want. Don't bully me or report. Or report all. Okay, so anyways, stage complete. Okay. Maybe we'll just skip this. I don't know. I know that this video because I only got 2%. Okay, so we got a 100% because I know I'm going to beat the game. So I know it's guys. I know. Stage complete. Okay, stage complete. Okay, so anyways, guys, I'm going to beat this game. This game is gotta be awesome. This game is easy, and this the female of these. I don't know what to call it. This is hard. I don't know, guys. This is really hard. I don't want it. I don't want to play anymore. This game is so dislike. There. Stage complete again. Okay, guys. So anyways, stage 4. We need to collect stage 100. Stage 100, I guess. So anyways, guys, I'm not good to this. Stage 100. Okay, stage 10. Okay. What's up? Yes, I know. I'm gonna beat this Valentine's away. Come on, let's go. Come on. I'm gonna beat this game. Well, why is it taking so long? Come on, please. Come on, I need to beat this game. Come on. Come on, I need to beat this game. What do you mean? Why am so slow? Why am so slow, guys? Why are you like this? Okay. So anyways, guys, so now go to this game. 16%. Okay. So anyways, guys, I'm now go to this game. This could be the longest hobby in the world. So that is, I'm now go to this game. Beat this game. That's like climbing a ladder. How about let's see? I guess I don't know what kind of word it is. I don't know. Well, I'm so lagging. I guess. I don't go to this. Go to this. Okay, let's go to this side. This side of this. I don't know. Okay, I know go to touch the red parts, I guess. Don't you dare ever do that trick again. Noob! He's a noob, guys. Look at him! He's so a noob. Okay, nice, guys. He's an idiot here, so anyways, guys, I know go to this, okay? Beat this. Let's go beat this game, okay? Gotta beat this game. Beat this game, okay? What's that? Why is the arrow different? I don't know how to cover this, okay? They keep on itching now. Ha ha. Look at her. She's so dumb. I think the character looks slow. Then I don't care, guys. I don't care at all. Really doesn't care. Okay. Nah. Get out here. Get out here. I'm not your friend anymore. No. Get out here. Stop inviting me. Okay. Stop inviting me. Okay. Okay, guys. So anyway. Look at him. He's so dumb. And I don't care. So anyways, guys, I really care about this player, but that's okay, guys. I know what about this game. What's that arrow? What's that? Okay, stage complete. Complete. 34%. Okay. 8%. Okay. And also I played in 11-year-old. I think. Okay. Come on, I need to beat this game, guys. Stage complete. Oh my gosh. Stage complete. Come on. We need to beat this game. Come on, I need to beat this game. Beat this. You can beat this game. Okay. I wanna beat this game. This could be 10. It's billions of 10 minutes. Okay. This could be the hardest game in the world. Okay. What's that thing? Playing gloves. I don't know. Gloves. Okay, next I need to beat this. Okay. I really doesn't care about this player, guys. Why they look turn into red? If I touch this, look, it turn red. If I touch the white one, it turns pink. It turns pink again. So, anyways, guys, stage complete. Okay. And okay, skip stage, kill all, finish obby. Finish. I don't know what to talk about this. Stage 32 and 44 versus complete. Okay, let's start it. Admin. I don't have an admin. Who cares about admin? Stage complete. I'm going to beat him. Look at him. I really wanted to care. Haha, noob. You know what? I wanted to ignore it. Ignore this one. Okay, guys. Next, I'm going to ignore this guy before he's annoying. VIP LB. I don't know what to do about this. I know I'm gonna get a sleep. What is Roblox at the show? No! Join me, huh? Look at him. He's so silly. Haha. Ignore this. Okay, guys. So I know I'm going to ignore the players. I know I'm going to ignore the players, guys. So I know. Only got 52. 52, I guess. Okay. Come on. This game. Why always itching on my nose? Come on, I need to beat this game. Come on. Okay, guys. Stage complete. Okay, guys. Let's play still all. Finish all. Okay. Okay. More games. I have more games again. Look at him. Silly again. Ignore this. He left before. And look at her. Oh, you him? Okay. I'm going to beat him. I'm going to beat him. I'm going to beat him. Huh? You try me, huh? No. I'm slow. He's fast. No. No, I wanted to ignore this. I wanted to. Bro. Hey, what you doing, huh? Stop trolling me, okay? Or else. Look at him. What the heck? Look at him, silly. Silly pal. Ignore this guy again. Okay, guys. So, anyways, guys, I know I'm going to ignore. I know I'm going to ignore. Green troll. Hey, stop trolling me. He's trolling me. Or else I will just kick you. Okay, I only got 64, guys. Okay, why am I so slow? Stop trolling me, okay? Or else I will kick you. Okay, we're starting. Okay. Or else. Ooh, come on, we need to know in time. No time. No time to check. This is 66%. Okay, guys. Green button. I don't know what to do about this. I don't know what to do about this. I didn't even fall. Correct again today. Wait, what is the meaning of this? Come on. Come on. 68. Come on. 70. 70. Oh, 70%. We only got 70%. That's nothing. Okay. 72%. Okay. That is cool. That is cool, guys. That is cool. So I didn't even fall, guys. That is good. That is the easiest game ever seen, I guess. Okay. Stage complete. I only got stage complete, I guess. Only got 74. We need to collect it. We need to collect the stage, I guess. I need to collect. Okay. Why does emoji look happy? Happy. It wanted to just collect the checkpoints, I guess. We need to collect this checkpoint, I guess. Okay. I don't care about this player. This game is so weird. What is this? I'm going to beat this game. I know I'm going to beat this game. 78. 78, I guess. Okay. I did check, I guess. Okay. Okay. Free stage. I know I'm going to free stage. I don't know. I'm going to play Eat the World again in April, guys. I'm gonna play Eat the World in April. Okay. Good. No. What is the rainbow carpet? Okay. Okay, I need to beat this game. 80%. 80%. Okay. Only got 80%. Only in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, I guess. Okay, guys. So, anyways, guys, I know we good with this game. This game is so weird, but this game is so awesome. I like this game. I like this Valentine's Obby, guys. This game is so cool, and I like it. Okay, I know I'm going to choose. Okay. Oh wait, choose this. Sorry. Oh wait. What's that? Oh wait. What? Did the game lagging? What the heck? I just beat this game. What just happened, guys? So anyways, guys, I'm not going to beat this game. So goodbye, guys. So anyways, guys, this could be the Good Abby, guys. That is good. Claim. What is claim? Pot. Poop it. Oh, I need to poop it. Okay, guys. So it is the easiest game of ever. So I know guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, guys, if you want to see more videos on the channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, guys.